Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, you know we have started our practice series for section A and already we have completed first 8 topics from session 1 to session 8. And today I am here with the questions of topic 9, that is nested for loop. So this is our session 9. Now from this topic, if we see, we get the questions in section A as well as in section B. As we are doing section A series, so in the description box of today, you will get the PDF link related to section A questions for the topic nested for loop. The questions that can be asked in section A are theory-based questions, find the errors, and output-based questions. So these type of questions are there in today's PDF. And my request to each one of you to write all the answers on your own, and when the solutions video will be released, you are requested to check your answers with mine, and wherever the correction is required, you can just do that correction, and like this you will be preparing your revision notebook or the preparation notebook also. It's a request to all those who have not yet started their practice from our practice series. Please take out your pen and notebook and attempt all the answers yourself from session 1 to session 9. And for each topic, one questions video is there and at least one solutions video is there. Do it yourself, and wherever you find any problem, then check the solutions video or you can verify your answers with mine. Soon we are going to start our practice series for section B also. So we will be taking all the topics in that, and before that you must be ready with your section A preparation. Children, many of you ask your doubts related to different topics on the subject in the comment section. It's a request to rest of you, those who know the answer, you can try giving the answer in the comment section only. This will serve as your revision, as your preparation, and that will help me a lot. Before we proceed, I want to share some information with you. Children, when you do mathematics or physics, chemistry, biology, that is the science subjects, and you face any doubt, especially when you are studying during night time or early in the morning, and you don't have any educator at that time to help you out in solving your doubts, then what? Yes, for this, Unacademy has come up with a feature, Ask a Doubt feature. Children, this feature is there for mathematics and science subjects, and in this feature, you can ask your doubts round the clock. That means early morning from 6 o'clock till 11 o'clock in the night. So this feature is available to all the learners and it is free right now. So this feature helps you like your personal mentor or educator or even a tutor. Here I want to mention that if you will ask 10 doubts on the feature of Unacademy app, then you are going to get 15 days subscription on Unacademy absolutely free, and there you can experience the premium quality education. You can enroll yourself in their courses, on the test series, etc. and experience the premium quality content for absolutely free. Now children, I will tell you how to ask a doubt in Unacademy feature. First of all, you should have the app. If it is not there, please download it. Then go to the app and then you have to go to Unacademy Ask a Doubt feature that you will get. See here, Ask a Doubt. You can click on Ask a Doubt and then you can ask your doubt by taking a picture or choose from gallery. I am selecting choose from gallery. Children, here I want to mention that it has to be in printed format. You cannot ask a doubt from the handwritten question, right? You select the question and then you simply crop it and put a tick mark and just submit your question. And as soon as you will submit the question, it will ask you from which subject it is. You can ask your doubts from maths, physics, chemistry and biology. You select the subject, say mathematics, and it will provide you a solution. See here, the solution is ready and you can view the solution. So it is so simple, just go to it. Use the code Leaf Classes to unlock this feature, and this one-time opportunity is valid for free subscription of Unacademy till 10th of March. So hurry up, clear your doubts and come with flying colors in your exams. Stay blessed. For today, this much only. Just go to the description box to find the PDF link for the questions of nested for loops and do each and every question on your own. Those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is there in the description box. Keep practicing, keep working hard, keep solving Section A questions. God bless you, children.